Stop wasting money on bloated SEO tools you barely understand. If you're tired of guessing why your website isn't ranking or converting, SiteGuru might just be the game changer you've been looking for. In this video, I'll show you how this lightweight, AI-powered SEO assistant can help you fix your site, boost traffic, and save hours every single week. This isn't your usual SEO guru BS. This is actionable, automated, and affordable. Whether you're a startup founder, marketer, or running your own niche blog, like I do, chances are SEO feels like a never-ending maze of audits, checklists, and confusing reports. SiteGuru simplifies everything into a plain English to-do list. It tells you what's wrong, why it matters, and exactly how to fix it. No need to be an SEO expert. Let me show you what it actually does. First, you add your site. SiteGuru crawls everything like a search engine does. Then boom, you get this smart SEO audit dashboard. From broken links, duplicate titles, missing meta descriptions to core web vitals, it's all flagged. And unlike clunky tools like SEMrush or Screaming Frog, SiteGuru doesn't drown you in data. It's built to help you take action, not feel overwhelmed. Cut to Structured Tasks section. One of my favorite features? This Tasks section. Instead of leaving you guessing, SiteGuru gives you a step-by-step to-do list prioritized by impact. It's like having a personal SEO consultant. After running SiteGuru on one of my affiliate blog sites, I fixed 30+ issues in just one afternoon. A week later, I noticed improved page speed scores and a bump in organic traffic. But here's the kicker. I didn't need to open Google Search Console, Page Speed Insights, or Moz. SiteGuru pulls in all that data for you and explains it like a human. No jargon, no fluff, just results. If you're a solo founder launching a new SaaS site, a marketing team juggling multiple client sites, a content creator wanting more Google love, this tool is tailor-made for you. And if you manage WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, or even custom-coded sites, no problem. SiteGuru integrates effortlessly. Here's the best part. SiteGuru is now on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. You pay once and get all the ongoing benefits of weekly audits, AI-powered insights, and prioritized SEO tasks forever. Click the link in the description to grab the deal before it's gone. Trust me, if you're still relying on guesswork or expensive monthly SEO subscriptions, SiteGuru is a no-brainer. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more SaaS reviews, and drop a comment if you want me to review a specific tool next. I'm Benjamin from Top SaaS Limited, helping you find the best lifetime tools so you can grow smarter, not harder. Till next time, audit less, rank more.